y'all, welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel I mainly do my natural hair, and that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this fro. I basically just combed out my hair, you know. I didn't do so much. This is not a blow dry look. I just combed it out, so that's what I'm gonna be showing y'all. But if you're interested, most definitely keep watching. But wait, before we get into it, make sure you watch all the way to the end. And if you like what you see, most definitely hit that subscribe button. But anyways, let's just get into the video. I can't. Y'all, this is my favorite beat right here. Okay, bye. Okay, bye for forever. Okay. Mala guy, ayy, Mala, meet me on the side, ayy, Falaba, Chamala mana, ayy, boom, boom, ka, Hold on, I'm finna rap for y'all. Y'all don't hear me though. Y'all don't hear me though. Hold on, the beat ain't dropped yet. Hold on. Meet me on the spot, ayy, with the dot, ayy. We gon' come and shoot your spot, ayy. Yo, la la la, jump la la la, now, come on, hey, okay. I'm walking on the ground and I'm about to fall on the floor, ayy. Hey. Alright, y'all, don't mind me for don't do me, okay? I was having a little fun, okay? Okay, now bye for. You've been struck by, you've been hit by. I want it to be like this, like, who is she? Alright, so I changed clothes. Hold up, pause. Do y'all see how my hair done shrunk up? Like, that is just so disrespectful. Like, oh. Anyways, let's get back into the video. So now, I'm gonna put these 2 clips in to make it look like this. Hopefully it works. Dang, girl, you're strong self. What I'm gonna do is, boom. Now, you can't see it, but do y'all like it? I don't know if I like it. Let me give y'all a side view. So, the back. Tell me how the back look, y'all. Strong back guy, girl. I'm about to fire. Alright, bye for because I'm making it ugly. Is it looking alright? Let me know. And then this side. Alright, so if you made it this far, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share, you know, get me out there. Yes, ma'am. Comment down below more. That's your hairstyles that you want me to try out, because I most definitely got you. I have 4C hair, type 4 4C hair. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go now. Yes. 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 I look like those people from back in the days. Dancing. Dancing. Okay, bye.